In this video we will start Prolog. Just I want to go to search my Prolog is there. Just you can see I have already installed this version 6.0.2. Why this one? Because I want to connect my Prolog with the Java. Later on I will connect my Prolog with the Java and show you that we can develop some expert systems, front end in the Java and back end by the Prolog engine. So question arises, what is Prolog? Actually Prolog is somehow a programming language, intelligent engine which support your artificial intelligence based programs. Many features are there, we will discuss one by one rather than just theoretically studying them. I will tap Emacs and take the Prolog editor out. This is the editor where I can type my programs and save them. There are two modes basically. If I type here 5 is smaller than 8 and dot, it's giving me answer true. This is the Prolog I am trying to communicate with the Prolog engine interactively, and you can see this is enough intelligent that it can answer you. So this prompt is there. Here you can type some command of the Prolog and it returns you answer. This is the interactive way that you can type something here and it returns 5 is 8. So suppose I wanted to say 5 plus 8 is, suppose 5 plus 8 is equal to 1 3. Okay, so it's telling you false. Okay, why it is telling you false? 5 plus 8 is, okay, let us see, it's again telling you false. And if I say 13 is 5, oh sorry, 5 plus 8, now it's telling you true. So what is the difference between this one, sorry, first one and second one? What is the difference between these two? See, 5 plus 8 is 13, telling answer is giving the false. 13 is 5 plus 8, answer is giving true. It means it can is in an operator which cannot evaluate its left hand side, okay, but it can evaluate the right hand side. 5 plus 8 is evaluated to the 13, and 13 and 13 are both matched as a symbolic matching. Basically it is not arithmetic matching, it's a symbolic matching, that 1 3 should be visibly equal to 1 3, not arithmetically. So only arithmetic part is being done here only. 5 plus 8 is equal to evaluated to be 13, and 13 contains a 1 and a 3, same structure like this 1 3. That is why the answer is coming true. So I wanted to say basic capability of the Prolog is matching. It matches the left hand side with RHS and give you answer. If you want to have a perfect arithmetic equality, then 8 plus 5, you can say like this. This operator is more capable, which will evaluate your both sides. Okay, answer will come true. 5 plus 8 and 8 plus 5, then arithmetically equivalent. This is also half operator. Half means actually this is evaluating right hand side and matching with the left hand side, but it is not evaluating left hand side and in case of the matching with the right hand side. So it is only evaluating arithmetically the right hand side. And this one is totally neither evaluating left hand side nor evaluating right hand side. It is only the matching base. Simply matching base means symbols should be matched. If 1 is the first position, here should be 1 at the first position. 3 is the second position, here should be 3 at the second position, or anything. string, let me check it, is equal to string. So sorry, dot, answer is true. It means see, string is equal to string. So it's only the matching. Okay. Now we cannot do big programs by simply interactively tapping on the command, this shell, command shell, whatever you call it. So we can go and call the Emacs, typing the command Emacs and simply putting the dot will give you Emacs editor. Here I will write the programs, and these programs will elaborate the concepts of the Prolog. So any Prolog, what is the programming constructs that Prolog supports? A lot of things you will study in the syntax syntax when I will teach some classes of the syntax related to the Prolog, systematic study of the syntax. But first of all, I would like to introduce you three things about the Prolog syntax. So Prolog programming construct. There are three things in the Prolog programming concept. Facts. You can use the facts. Number two are your actually I'm doing wrong thing. I'm writing here in English language. You can be confused that why I'm using this editor is not for this work. Here you have to write the programs. So second things is your rules, and third thing is your queries. Queries. Okay, yeah. So these three basic things, sorry, are supported by the product. Now what is the fact, what is the rule, and what do you mean by the query? These all the systematic definitions and theoretical understanding I will teach in the next lectures. First of all, I will give you one example that how the Prolog work, what we are going to do in the future. Okay, so we don't need these items. Okay, now there is actually English language question. English language, they have given something to you and you have to just analyze. Suppose that we are having elephant is bigger than horse. Horse is bigger than donkey. Donkey is bigger than monkey and dog. These are the three natural language statements given to you, and after we teach these three statements to the Prolog, a user will ask some questions based on these three statements. These statements, whatever are they, representing some of the facts, unconditionally true facts of the real world. I am honest that I have not put horse there and elephant here. So it's the user who is responsible for actual real world trueness of these statements. But for Prolog, when they comes in the domain of the Prolog and when we convert them into the equivalent syntax, so they are actually, Prolog don't know that you are cheating or not. Prolog understand that whatever the statements you are teaching that engine, they are true, means they are facts. So how can the Prolog learn this? We type this, Prolog will do error because they are actually in the natural language and we have to convert them into the equivalent syntax, Prolog syntax. So how we will convert? By analyzing this statement, I see that elephant is same as the horse, means belonging to the same category of the animal, and this is a relation bigger. Bigger is a relation which is relating the elephant with the horse. This is ordering relation. This is trying to order the elephant size and horse. So I identified that predicate name is bigger. No, bigger is the name, concept hidden in this statement. Bigger elephant, comma horse. Okay, this is my own choice that I have put bigger one at the first position and the smaller one at the second position. Now I have taken all the knowledge hidden in this sentence in the form of the Prolog syntax, that how to convert a natural language statement into the equivalent Prolog syntax. This constant, okay, ground truths, they are individually true. Elephant is there, it is true. Horse is there, it is self true. In the knowledge base there is some elephant kind of thing, it is a constant, horse kind of thing, something, it is a constant we are declaring actually. And bigger there is no need to declare like variable type or integer type, string type, constant type. No, Prolog automatically understand by this smaller sign. This is capital, if this is capital it's variable, and otherwise it is a constant. So bigger is a relation which have this kind of the syntax and having one more arguments. Okay, so this binary relation we have taken out. Now similarly same kind of the relation is existing between the other animals also, so there is no need to invite further more relation types. So same kind of the relation is given between horse and donkey. Okay, because horse is the bigger than donkey, so it is taking the first position, donkey is position again second position in the relation. Position matter here because it is matching by positions. Bigger donkey comma monkey, okay, and bigger your donkey comma dog. So these are the four facts which are known to the Prolog. They are true actually, there is no doubt about their truth value, there is no condition, they are unconditionally true. If there have been any condition, then there must be represented in the form of rule, and this condition may be given here. I will show you in the next videos. They are unconditionally true facts which I have given to the Prolog. So these are constituting a small knowledge base which will be used to answer the questions of the user. So first aim is to save it. Okay, I will go and I will put be bigger.pl. just I will save it at the desktop. So I already existing, I have done this previously also. Okay, just I can make it, otherwise I go here and just consult the file. Oh sorry, where is that? Desktop, and this is my bigger. Just open, it's consulted. Okay, is there any problem? Yes, there is a problem because I have also written these English statements, so there are some problems. I just remove these English statements from the program, otherwise this is not the part of syntax, only for explaining you. Okay, save it, and now I will try to consult and go to desktop and go to many programs. Okay, go to bigger, open, just yes. Okay, so now I have just consulted. After consulting this bigger like this again, I can show you some improvement I've done actually. Bigger, and this open, this consult is working. Now first of all I will ask how many clauses or facts it knows, how many rules, facts and everything it is knows. So I will call listing dot. Okay, this is telling me that it already knows four things: bigger elephant than horse, bigger horse than donkey, bigger donkey than monkey, and bigger donkey than dog. There is nothing new. I have already told these four facts to my Prolog engine, and this becomes the knowledge base. From this knowledge base I can ask some questions. But again the same thing, the question if I ask they are in English language, the user don't know the English language, the Prolog systems are being used by different people, online, offline, so they don't need the English language, and they can ask like such kind of the questions. Who is bigger between horse and elephant? Okay, so otherwise this is syntax error actually, you cannot type in English language. Similarly, they can ask many different questions. Is it the case that elephant is bigger than horse? Is it the case that horse is smaller than elephant? Is it the case that horse is bigger than donkey? Is it the case that donkey is bigger than monkey and dog both? Like that, there are many questions which are based on the this knowledge base. There are 4 facts, but more than 4 questions are possible. Thing is that. So how I will ask these questions? First of all, I have to convert my English language statements into the Prolog syntax. Either they are knowledge base, either they are knowledge only, or they are queries. Whatever they are in the natural language, first duty is to convert into the English language. Sorry, Prolog language. Now, first let us consider I am asking the question: is the elephant larger than horse? So I will ask bigger, sorry, elephant than horse. Answer is coming true. I will ask another question: who is bigger than horse? So bigger, okay, x horse. It is elephant. I ask the question bigger, who is bigger than horse? Prolog give me answer that x is bigger than horse. Who is elephant? Elephant is bigger than horse basically. Now I want another question: is there anyone who is bigger than horse? So bigger underscore for placeholder only and horse. It's true. Yeah, there is someone who is bigger than horse. Who is that? Okay, who is that? Who is bigger than horse? So simply that is, who is that who is bigger than horse? Okay, another: is the elephant largest? Okay, this is somehow intellectual question. You need intellectual property in your brain to answer this question. If elephant can play the role of smaller in any clause, anyone may be there, then it cannot be the largest. Question is that, is the elephant largest? Okay, now I'm looking at, is the elephant playing anywhere in the knowledge base a role of smaller? If the answer is true, then elephant cannot be the largest. But answer is false, it means elephant is the largest. It means elephant is never playing the role of smaller. There is no clause in the fact base or the knowledge base where elephant comes at the position of smaller. It means elephant is never coming at the position of smaller. Okay, so it is the biggest, largest. Okay, so some questions we can directly ask, some questions we can directly go into the Prolog. There are direct questions, but some are somehow they are logical questions. We have to actually, question is different and we have to prepare different kind of the Prolog query inside. Like this, he is asking is the elephant is the largest. You know where I am asking the largest or biggest, something like that, or smallest, something. If you may ask is the monkey smallest, so what will you do? Bigger. If monkey can play a role of larger, monkey can never be smallest. So answer is this false, means monkey may be smallest, but if at the place of monkey I put the donkey, dog also, so this is also false. It means dog is also smallest, but dog and monkey are independent to each other because there is no relation like bigger and biggest, smallest between the monkey and dog. So individually monkey is also considered to be the smallest and dog is also considered to be the smallest. So what is the smallest? Actually it is a confusion. In the future I will tell you that how to remove these kind of the confusions. They may produce a wrong answer. Sometimes you are asking tell me the name of smallest, then it will be coming monkey, sometimes it will be coming the dog. So certain words has to be defined clearly in the knowledge base, and the rules and the facts should not be confusing. That is the condition we will see in the next artificial intelligence programming lectures. But what is that? Now in this lecture I teach you that how we can populate the knowledge base, and then how we can ask the direct and indirect questions. There are always two kinds of the questions. One is directly supported by the facts, another is indirect. Indirect means the knowledge base has to be used and some process of inference, or some rules follow, some facts follow each other, followed by facts of support another new facts, or facts support the generation or synthesis of the new facts. So this kind of synthesis can also be implemented into the Prolog directly by the use of facts and rules. So this is about the general interaction, and you can ask many different questions. Now here I will take a turn that since elephant is bigger than horse, and horse is bigger than donkey, and donkey is bigger than dog, so by transitivity elephant should be bigger than donkey, and elephant should also be bigger than monkey, and elephant should also be bigger than dog. Now I ask the question, is that true that elephant is bigger than donkey? So I will ask like that, bigger elephant than donkey. I ask this question, it is coming to be the false. It means the transitive relation between elephant and donkey is not represented by the Prolog engine. It is not understood through the Prolog engine because first is bigger than second and second is bigger than third. So it is not already understanding that first is also bigger than third because of the connectivity through the second. Means I wanted to say if x is bigger than y, and sorry, this is not Prolog. Actually I have to have some editor like notepad. Okay, I take word pad and I tell you here separately that if given x is greater than y and y is greater than, sorry, z is given, then x is automatically greater than z. This is mathematical transitivity, but Prolog simply has no mathematical capability to understand this transitivity. I will try to make this transitivity, code this transitivity into Prolog. Once I coded it, it will become, it will understand, and also here's my Prolog. It will also answer you that is the elephant connected to bigger elephant. Donkey will answer how, basically how we can generate the answer of bigger elephant comma monkey to be true. This is my next lecture in which I will try to generate the answer of this question to be true. Okay, there are two possible ways, I will tell you. Thank you for my lecture, and you can also join this lecture series. If you have something new, you can please record and send me my mail ID. I will see that if they are related to my work and good for this channel, then I will upload them onto this my mail ID, upload them to my channel and collect the good sequence of the lectures. Thank you.